What's going on, guys? CEO Kowser here, currently in LA, processing everything. As you all know, I bought a 2022 McLaren GT in this beautiful McLaren orange from Bentley, Indianapolis. I was so excited about the car, man, and I gotta say, the car has been stolen in transport. Turned out the transport company that was responsible for transporting my vehicle from Indiana to my house in Houston ended up getting hacked, and my car ended up somewhere in California in the valley in Woodland Hills. Thankfully, I'm covered. Everything should be fine. What I learned through this whole process is patience, and exercising patience in everything that we do. We gotta just ride the waves. I know that eventually I'm gonna get my dream car, whether it's the same exact spec, whether it's a different spec, a different color. You just gotta stay patient and roll with the punches through the process. As I was saying, in life, we're often tested with the things that we love and that we want the most, but what really defines us is who we become through these tests, right? Do we go further away from our purpose, from God, from the one that has given us all of these blessings and that has given us these challenges in the first place? Or do we actually persevere and overcome this unique opportunity to grow, right? And I'm choosing to overcome this unique opportunity to grow, right? Like, I've worked my butt off starting a multi-million-dollar tech company at age 18, literally, like, with my own funds. Had everyone doubting me, had my parents doubting me, had my closest people doubting me, and I had nowhere to really look besides to God for guidance and within. And, I worked so hard to be able to buy this car just for it to be stolen. I'll be honest, I cried it out in the beginning. I was devastated, right? It's like a kid getting his favorite toy stolen, right? And I definitely had my childish moment, right, to just really process and let it out. But then I got right back to work, I got right back to work, working closely with insurance. So I think my insurance is going to end up suing the transport company's insurance, and hopefully we get all that sorted out. So, I don't know when I'm going to get my dream car back, or another dream car. I don't know, but I'm choosing to see the good in this, and I'm choosing to see this as an opportunity for me to be resilient and for me to grow.